Very soft.
Yes, very soft.
No,
Mm. Very tame.
Okay. I can see your feet.
Ah,
Like a dog.
like a dog. Yeah, yeah, that's cute. Very cute. Oh, he loves that.
It's mummy now. Follow your
He's a little
footprints.
boy.
Yeah.
Oh, he's licking you. Oh, that's so funny. That's like a dog.
Big footprints.
Wow,
2.
that's amazing. I've never seen a kangaroo lick someone. That's the first time. He likes your taste of your skin. Wow.
7, 9.
Wow. That looks like a small boy and this one looks like a big boy. We have another one coming over here. If you're just joining us, we're on YouTube. This is Jodie G from jodiesjourney.com. We're just taking some video today of the kangaroos in the free feeding area, free touch area. These are beautiful animals and just
You know, like you run around and Daddy goes
very,
for a run.
very happy to
Exercise.
get cuddles. Oh, big licks! Oh, that's amazing.
Oh, hello. Oh dear. Oh,
Oh yeah, wow, I've never seen them. I've never seen kangaroos do that.
you're so sleepy.
Like a dog, almost. Love a tummy rub.
Oh. Oh dear. Sorry, darling. Oh. Oh
Oh,
dear.
dear.
What's he doing? He's scratching his chest, isn't
How
he?
cute.
Sorry. We're going to stay on my...
That's quite amazing.
Should we put all the food in there because we haven't got any more animals to feed now, have we? Hey? That's it. They'll eat it later. Good girl. We need to go and wash our hands now, don't we? Because we've been feeding them. Yeah? We go and wash our hands now on the... I think we might have to. Come on, little munchkin.
Looks like they've been eating lots of carrot over here. Carrots and seeds and all sorts of things.
Good girl. Now we're going to put the paper bag in the bin. Yeah? You can put it in the bin.
Beautiful animals. No matter how many times I see kangaroos, I still love them. They're gorgeous. This guy's having a rub. He's rubbing in the kangaroo poo. He's got it everywhere. Oh, the yuck. I guess he doesn't care. I think this is a female because look, that's the pouch. See? The pouch? See? Where the baby comes out. Oh, well, that's where the baby comes out there and crawls up into the pouch. Yeah. So that's a female, that's a male, young male. Yeah. Who's doing a little poo. Look, you watch. He's doing a little poo. It's slowly coming out.
Oh, God.
Oh, yuck. Yeah. Very friendly.
I want to take him.
Take him home? Yeah. I know. Looks like she's dead. I've never seen a kangaroo do that before. Especially lying on her back. That's hilarious.
Oh, scratch.
Scratch.
Oh, scratch. Amazing. Oh, my God.
That's funny, isn't it?
Oh.
Gee, this one loves licking you. That's hilarious.
He scratched too.
Scratching too, yeah. That's cute. Yeah, well. It looks funny. Upside down on her back. She looks very happy.
Yeah.
I have seen many kangaroos, but I've never seen one like that. That is the first time in, like, you know, I've been here 40 years and I've never seen a kangaroo on her back like that. Just relaxed.
Pooing.
That is so funny. Just do a poo while I'm laying on my back. Oh, hilarious. Well, we'll say goodbye, Miss Kangaroo. Say bye-bye. You got poo stuck to your bottom. Thanks for watching, everyone. This is Jodie G from jodiesjourney.com.